I'm David Corsal from Motorcycle Adventure Guatemala, and Guatemala is my playground. We offer dual sport tour all around Guatemala, riding nice countryside, getting close to Mayan culture, and having awesome day of riding every day.
On our tours, we ride a mixture of pavement and dirt. Our tours are adventure style. Throughout the day, we're back and forth between rough and loose terrain as well as paved terrain.
It's very special to experience Guatemala riding a motorcycle. You get way closer to the local people, and we get to ride roads we couldn't access on a car, so we're far out in the countryside. The bridge went down many years ago, and there's a guy on a few wood plank and tube that take the bike across. All our tours go all over the country in different parts.
Each day we go from hotel to hotel and we visit fantastic locations.
And always nice accommodation and good food.
Every day the landscape and the people change. We visit a lot of Mayan communities and locations throughout Guatemala. When we come through some of the smaller communities, we look like spacemen to a lot of the kids, and so people often crowd around and everyone loves seeing us roll through town on our bike. Extremely mountainous here, so the roads are very curvy, there's a lot of switchbacks.
It goes from cool to warm every day, and massive change of altitude on every day we're riding.
We ride Honda Tornado 250s. They're a great dual sport bike. They're great on the dirt, they're great on the pavement, and they're just a fantastic bike for the terrain we ride.
We keep them in really good condition. We're on top of maintenance all the time, so we don't encounter issue while we're out there.
My name is Clinton, here in Antigua. Just got done with an epic 6-day ride with mag tours all across Guatemala. After showing up to the shop and seeing how awesome the bikes were, they were well maintained. I had no worries about us being able to make it across the remote regions of Guatemala.
David and Evan have been fantastic. They take care of everything on the bike.
And they were very experienced, and I knew if we had a problem, they'd be able to take care of me.
I mean, the tour guides are great. You know, there's a comfort level there. I mean, even if you're not a big motorcycle enthusiast, you know, I highly recommend this place.
It's awesome having somebody else lead the way and take you right to all the best stuff in Guatemala.
We run tours with anywhere from 1 to 10 people, and we also can customize the tours depending on your specific needs.
Every day the sights were gorgeous, and you know, I kept thinking to myself, can it get better? And it did every single day. It was awesome.
It's been some of the best riding I've ever done in my entire life.
The terrain is just absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful country. The culture is rich. You can just see all of it, all in one place.